Jeff here with JFlint products. We're at a commercial building and we have a very typical hard water problem. And that problem is that most of the hard water is at the bottom of the windows, and almost every window is tagged with a little bit of hard water. So the first thing I'm going to do to test it with my polisher is I'm going to use the hydro handle because it's cordless. It's easy to do. So the foaming action that's occurring here is due to the solvent. The winning color stain remover has a tendency to foam up under pressure and under agitation. So now we'll rinse it. Okay, so this is the area that we tested, and I can tell that the hydro handle is great for testing, but on this particular job, I would much prefer to use our power tool. The power tool will be able to knock this window out a lot faster. There's no other technique on the market today that can enable you to polish a piece of glass down to just pure glass again after this much damage. Now that we know what method we need, we're going to resort to our power tool so that we can speed up the job. So I'm going to finish off this corner right here using our power tool and our Scrubby Pro nylon pad. The first thing we need to do is prep the surface and prep the pad. We use our Mr. Hardwater polishing compound to prep the surface. This is going to enable me to have a longer polish. When the polishing compound's already on the glass, I can spend more time polishing and less time prepping. So our compound's getting a little dried out, but that's okay. Ready? Gonna wet this down a little bit. Remix it. Now I'm gonna prep our pad. And we're ready to start polishing. So it didn't take too long to really polish this glass and to remove all those years of hard water from the surface. So why don't we rinse it off now and see how well we did. Okay, so we just finished polishing off this half of the window, and as you can tell in the previous video, it went pretty quickly, and we finally dialed in the right process, or the right method, and that's using our power tool with our Nylon Scrubby Pro. Let's take a look and see how the pad's holding up now. These pads perform very, very well with hard water removal. You can see here that I didn't really wear out the nylon pad much, but I can keep going with this pad by just tearing off the material here. Also, what's nice about the pads is that they're permeable. They're able to hold in the powder and also the moisture, so it enables me to keep polishing in one long pass.